In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download TikTok app on Android. We're keeping it simple and official by using the Google Play Store, which is the safest place to get Android apps. This method ensures you're downloading the real TikTok app, kept up to date with the latest features and security fixes. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone or tablet. You'll usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer, and its icon looks like a multicolored triangle. Make sure you're connected to the internet. Wi-Fi is best if you want to save mobile data. It also helps to have a bit of free storage space so the download can complete without issues. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top and type TikTok. On the results page, look for the official TikTok app. You can recognize it by the familiar Music Note logo and the large number of downloads. TikTok has over 1 billion installs. Choosing the official listing helps you avoid lookalike apps. Tap Install. The Play Store will start downloading the app and then automatically install it. You'll see a progress bar, and this part can take a minute or two depending on your connection. If your device asks you to confirm any permissions, read them and tap Accept to continue. If you don't see the install button, your device might not be compatible. The app may be temporarily unavailable in your region, or you might need to update the Play Store. In most cases, though, it's straightforward. When the installation finishes, tap Open right there on the Play Store screen. That launches TikTok immediately. You'll also find the new TikTok icon added to your home screen or app drawer, so you can open it later with a single tap. That's all it takes to download TikTok on Android using the official method. Once you're in the app, TikTok makes it easy to watch short videos across tons of categories: funny clips, music, trends, and more. As you watch and interact, the app learns what you like and starts showing you videos tailored to your interests. If you want to get creative, you can record your own videos right from the app using built-in filters, effects, and editing tools to polish your clips before sharing. And that's it. You now have TikTok installed the safe and easy way from the Google Play Store. Enjoy exploring, watching, and if you're up for it, creating your own short videos.